Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your lead generation business. If you offer lead generation business, then manually sharing all the details and delivering leads can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for lead generation business. And before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example, and for that let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So I've sent a general message like hi, and our chatbot responds us with welcome to Edu Growth Lead Assist. We help students explore the right courses and stay updated. Choose what you'd like to do. Here I'm going to select the first option that says explore courses, and the chatbot responds us with all the courses categories. So I'm going to select the second option that says register, and our chatbot is asking for email ID. So here I'm going to send a demo response as this, and then it is asking for the course I'm interested in. So I will respond with digital marketing, and our chatbot says we have updated your details for digital marketing. Our counselor will get in touch soon. So lastly, I'm going to select this option that says class updates, and our chatbot will provide us with all the updates, and it has also provided us a direct link towards the website for more details. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow. And it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up, we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here, you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up, we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up, we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, so when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled, so I have renamed it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Lead Generation Business. On the screen, there's a Flow Start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords that can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. With the help of specific pattern, it helps us by activating the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, this pattern is supposed to be used like this. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex, and here we have an option to choose a template. We can choose any template to send to the user. From here, we can curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message. Like this. It will appear like this to the user, and here I've added little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp. Here with the help of add button option, I'm going to add some quick reply options. Like this. Now we have to curate a response for each one. So let's curate a response for Explore courses, and for this I'm going to access the text button from here, and here I'm going to add the details. Like this. It will appear like this to the user. Next, I'm going to curate a response for register, and for this I'm going to access the action type nodes, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. And here I'm going to take the details for registration. Like this. And in the contact custom field, I'm going to select email, and as format, I'm going to select email. And then you can provide as many number of attempts as you want, and I'm going to leave the validation message empty, and I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Then I'm going to curate another question, and here I'm going to add for the course you're interested in, and in the contact custom field, I'm going to select add, and as format, I'm going to select text, and I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Lastly, I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button. It will appear like this to the user, and here I've added $add because add was our contact custom field, and $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual course chosen by the user. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for class updates, and here I'm going to select text button, and here I'm going to add all the updates. Like this, and it will appear like this to the user, and we have also provided a direct link to the website below for more updates. And this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for lead generation business. If you want to create the same, you can follow the procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.